Learn Japanese 何々が好きです。何々が嫌いです。Hello, this is Kiki. This is our team to learn Japanese. ファティマさんです。佐藤さんです。Today, we are going to study special な adjective 好きな嫌いな上手な下手な Today's agenda. First, I will introduce these な adjective with animation. Second, how to use. I will explain Japan's dating culture. And third, phrases from Demon Slayer. So let's get started. Introduction. 佐藤さんです。佐藤さんは夕食を食べます。佐藤さんは夕食を食べます。夕食 in other words 晩ご飯。晩ご飯を食べます。Normal verb we use を肉好きです。佐藤さんは肉が好きです。When we use 好きな we need to use が佐藤さんは肉が好きです。佐藤さんです。野菜野菜好きじゃありません。好きじゃありません。佐藤さんは夕食を食べます。夕食を食べます。佐藤さんは野菜が好きじゃありません。佐藤さんは野菜が好きじゃありません。佐藤さん says 野菜が嫌いです。野菜が嫌いです。佐藤さんです。タバコを吸います。佐藤さん says タバコを吸います。タバコが好きです。For common Japanese verb, I have the link above so you can learn common 20 Japanese verb there. ファティマさんです。タバコです。好きじゃありません。嫌いです。So, ファティマさん says タバコを吸いません。タバコを吸いません。タバコが嫌いです。タバコが嫌いです。佐藤さんです。佐藤さんはサッカーをします。ファティマさん says 佐藤さんはサッカーが上手です。サッカーが上手です。He can kick the ball. So, 佐藤さんはサッカーが上手です。But when 佐藤さん describe himself, he need to use 得意です。佐藤さん says サッカーが得意です。Because if 佐藤さん describe himself 上手です。It's too much. It's too confident. And we, in our culture, is humbleness is the best. So it's better to not say 上手です。For myself, it's better to choose 得意です。佐藤さん says サッカーが得意です。私はサッカーが得意です。or サッカーが得意です。 バドミントンです。ファティマさん hit shuttle. So 佐藤さん says ファティマさんはバドミントンが上手です。ファティマさんはバドミントンが上手です。僕はバドミントンが下手です。僕 Here 僕 is I for male and this case 佐藤さん。佐藤さん said 僕はバドミントンが下手です。下手 bad at In this case, it's okay because he just described himself bad at something. But if other people like me describe this situation, I need to say 佐藤さん佐藤さん佐藤さんはバドミントンが上手じゃありません。上手じゃありません。Not good at 上手じゃありません。Because it's better, because 下手です is kind of strong word, so it's better to avoid to use. Second, how to use. I'll explain Japanese dating culture, confess, in Japanese 告白, and this boy is about to tell his feeling to the girl. And here today, we assume this boy is Sato-san and this girl is Fatima-san. Sato-san says, Fatima-san, 好きです。付き合ってください。Fatima-san, 好きです。付き合ってください。Today we learned 好きです。Like 好きです。付き合ってください。ください means please. And 付き合います is the verb meaning be in relationship. So it's okay for male, for female, doesn't matter. 付き合ってください. This is the form of 付き合う. So we will learn this grammar later on. But here, main point is 好きです。And Fatima-san replies, if it's yes, はい。If it's no, ごめんなさい means sorry. In generally speaking, in Japan, we don't have dating culture. Maybe we hang out a couple times and then we have confess time. One party tells his or her feeling to other party and then the other party accept it. And after that line, these couple will be couple. They will be in relationship in that clear line. But probably, if I'm not mistaken, European culture, they have dating time and in the particular time, it's okay to date with other people. If I'm mistaken, please let me know. But in general speaking, in Japan, we have confess culture and then we have clear line between being friends and being in relationship. Okay, so move on to the next part. Third, phrases from Demon Slayer. Today, we are going to learn Zenitsu's word from Demon Slayer Episode 17. In this episode, Zenitsu is fighting against strong demon, spider demon. But the spider demon is strong, so he cried and he wanted to escape. But in his memory, he remembered what happened in his training time. And in his training time, this is his master. The training session is too hard for Zenitsu, so he escaped from his master and he went up onto the top of the tree. And because he is very appreciative to his master, because the master saved him from death and he trained Zenitsu. So this person is very great person to Zenitsu. But he felt sorry because he couldn't achieve or he couldn't master the skill. But he said, 俺はじいちゃんが好きだよ。俺はじいちゃんが好きだよ。俺 is I for boys. じいちゃん is casual way to say おじいさん means grandfather. が好きだ is casual way to say 何々が好きです。よ is this one is makes sense. This one makes sentence softer. 俺はじいちゃんが好きだよ。Another sentence from the same episode. Zenitsu said to himself, 俺は一番自分のこと好きじゃない。俺は一番自分のこと好きじゃない。In this case, he just wake up from his memory and then he saw around him and then he found big strong spider demon just in front of him and he was crying and he escaped and he was crying near the tree and he wished he could be strong but he thought he was weak. So that's why he said, 俺は一番自分のこと好きじゃない。means 俺は I for boys 好きじゃない。好きじゃありません we learned today and 好きじゃない is verbal way to say 好きじゃありません and 何が好きじゃありませんか what he didn't like what he don't like is 自分のことが好きじゃない自分 means myself and こと means things so things about me but it's just myself and here there he skipped say が because it's particle so it's okay to skip we understand the meaning and 一番 means most 一番好きじゃない so it means least like so in translation I hate myself more than anyone else 俺は一番自分のこと好きじゃない俺は一番自分のこと好きじゃないI hope you get the sense of 好きだよ好きじゃない from Demon Slayer Ep17 見てくれてありがとう